how to write a very simple program in Java. So let's get started. The first thing, when you are creating any file in Java, the name that you give to your file, for example, main.java. What is this main? This main is going to be the public class of your program. This is you have to understand. You cannot give any other name in this. The first public class will be the name of your file. This is only you have to understand in nutshell. Okay, the second thing is this, as you can see on your screen, is a simple program in Java. See what is happening here is we give the import of the Java, that is for input output support. We have written public class main. So main, and the name of the file is main.java. So this main is exactly the main and a public class. Inside it, there is a very important method, public static void main, string arguments. Now we will understand why static and public, these are different things. We have to now only concentrate on the main. This is the main method. The execution of your program starts from this main only. And when the execution starts, whatever you want to execute, you can write inside. Even if outside this there are any classes, methods, you can call using object, without object, whatever it is inside this main. What you do inside main get executed. So what we are doing, we are only printing welcome to Java, and the command for printing is system.out.println. So system.out.println with S capital of system. We can execute this program. This will give you the output, that is welcome to Java.